Alright guys, Andrew here at Rose's Bar and Grill today. We're actually going to be installing some countertops for them today. It's currently 8:40 in the morning. We got one top that's going to go right here of steel gray leather granite, and then our one top across this nice frame here. This is the outside here, absolutely amazing restaurant. Here are our pieces today. Our first piece here is, of course, one of the ones that we don't need. This is actually for their outdoor area, so that's going to be going outside. So we're going to get that unloaded first. It's cold outside. We're not going to install this outside where it's supposed to go, but it's in here for now, and it'll be ready and waiting for us when it is ready. Where it's going to go is right here. Nice, cool outdoor bar area. Alright guys, so this is this top over here. Another really great fit to the wall here. Came out nice and flush with our end here. We're just going to drill that out with a hole saw. But a nice fit around here. And even through there. Kind of a unique shaped piece, but looks really good. Alright, this is our last piece to come out. So far we've had some good fits. This one's got some unique fits around some beams here and stuff. You can see the notching in there and stuff, but let's see how it goes. Alright, when the piece is just too short for our regular clamps here, we just throw a quick clamp on it. There's an extra safety, makes life a little bit easier. Frank's just installing the final lag bolts in now. It was already super solid, but we decided that it really ain't gonna go nowhere now. Have people dancing up on the thing, ain't going nowhere. Alright guys, as you can see, another amazing fit. Looks really great around everything. Everything came out really nice here. This frame that they made, really nice, looks really cool. Fits with the rest of the look of the whole place. This line here is going to be for some glass partition that's going to go in there. That'll look really good once that's in too. Alright, our next step here, well, I like the silicone, we're going to drill a hole right in here with our hole saw. This one's seen better days, but eventually we'll burn our way through it. There's our hole. Hole is drilled. Got our grommet in there. Fits real nice. Alright, I pulled this countertop out because I had a nice bead of silicone in here to seal it up to keep any liquids from ever getting in there. And I noticed there's this little high spot right here in the plywood. I think that was keeping the stone up a little bit here and making it inconsistent. So I'm going to cut that out there, and then that should make it so it sits a little flatter around there. Alright, We got our high spot just cut out here. I just took the cutoff tool and just notched that out. We're gonna put a nice bead of silicone across there and make sure no liquids get in there. This one over here, amazing fit to the wall here.
Are you your pictures?
Alright, and then really nice fit up through there. Everything looks really good, came out absolutely fantastic. Like I said, another amazing fit, another amazing look. Rose's Bar and Grill.